Hey everyone, Brent Simmons here, and this right here is actually an attic fan controller. Pretty cool. Never seen anything like this before. Let me flip the camera around and show you exactly what this controls. Okay, so this is the fan that this controller controls. First off, let me start with this so I can get this out of the way. This is an optional upgrade. You can control up to 10 fans with this. So right now I only have one, so it says fan number 1. Here, I'm turning it on. Fan number 1, if I had multiple fans, I would just hit this button and it would change it. Right now it says all. So you can control all at one time as well. But what's cool about this, you can change the set points of what you want this to turn on. So right now it would turn on at 74 degrees or 37% humidity. Super cool that it has both a humidistat and a thermostat built into it. All right, so let's put this up and let's talk about the actual features of this fan. You do not have to have that controller to buy these fans and actually take advantage of these fans. They have a built-in thermostat that will kick on at around 75 miles per hour. They also have a fire switch. It's pretty cool. If you have a fire in your home, you do not want these fans pulling a lot of air out because it will actually feed the fire fresh oxygen. So these will actually shut off in the case of a fire. Pretty neat. But let's talk about this model right here. This is a 35 watt. They come in 25, 35, and 45 watt, and they also have like a 60 watt, but that's for a different application. But this one right here, the middle of the line, this fan pulls 1700 CFM. It's actually a little bit more than 1700. So if you're comparing this to the type of attic fan you see on a house, just the standard round ones, one of these is basically the equivalent to 2 of those. So the 45 watt version goes up to 1950 CFM. So that's basically, give or take, like having 3 of those other standard round wired fans. Now, this is completely solar powered. This fan right here is running under its own power from the sun up there. So there's no wires, there's nothing going into this fan making it run. And they're extremely quiet. Let's go listen. So yeah, I'm super excited to offer these to my customers. Since these are solar powered, you can get a 28% tax credit that goes towards the total job. So when you do a powered fan, obviously you have the fan, you have labor, you have the optional controller, you have shingles, you have underlayments, stuff like that that you might have to buy. So whatever the total cost is to do this, you can get a 28% tax credit back by using this solar fan. Every single year, that tax credit is dropping slightly. But yeah, guys, if you're interested in this, I know winter's coming up. Fans are still super important in the wintertime because they actually help minimize the moisture in your attic. That's when you have to worry about moisture, is in the wintertime. But give me a call, 901-854-3402.